are on our way to the university and it's very cold. In the morning, what happened was my food got knocked down in front of everyone, but it's fine. Now we're going for class. But you're not Indian, you just realized. I am Indian. I'm not half Indian.
She's Indian.
It's
sorry,
my,
sorry. She's Indian.
It's my catch line. I'm Indian. Just because I don't know how to talk in Hindi properly. No, I live in this.
Sorry, she's Indian. Sorry.
We just finished our second French class. We had so much fun. We were playing Chammak Challo also.
Technology the prime. Can I remove? That side. I did. No. Sorry.
Now we're standing in the queue for food. Ahana is very scared that she's going to eat beef by mistake. So she's asking if the chicken will have beef. Now that we... Wait, I look so nice today. How much you said that yesterday. Every time she says that. We had lunch. I have a baguette and I got half instead of 1/4. So now I have to smuggle this food into the bus. Otherwise the bus driver will get angry.
You know he yelled at
Oh, don't say it. Now we're going to Germany and we're going to a chocolate factory. We are in Germany. I woke up and the bus just stopped when I woke up. We're in a chocolate factory in Cologne. It smells so good here. I just got my chocolate. We just bought chocolate and solid confusion, but we bought it now, so it's fine. But the tour guide told us that we can get a lot cheaper somewhere else, but it's fine.
It's fine.
It's our fantasy order. Dry fruit. I want no dry fruit. I want no nuts. Wait, I don't want anything. Oh wait, this is an actual thing. Now we're at the Cathedral of Cologne. We're finally allowed to roam around. So we're taking pictures here first. We finally bought something. We bought cologne from Cologne because it's very popular. We got our churros. This street is actually really crowded. It's the most crowded we've ever seen. Hello, we're back in the hotel. Ahana has gone crazy. Ahana's asking us what she'll wear tomorrow and I love watching this. It's my favorite part of the day because she shows so many outfits and then we can like give our opinions. She doesn't listen to some opinions, but it's fine. She's come with a suitcase full of clothes. Oh, you're wearing shorts? Wait, where are you going? We are in Luxembourg. The weather is also so nice for the first time. It's not raining and gloomy. Okay, bye. Bye bye. It's The guy inside thought we were Pakistani. We got our food and we'll do our taste test now. Are this is flying? It's good. You like it? Those are the culprits. They're roaming around. They'll come to our table now. It's coming. Psychotic.
Come here now. Come here.
Idiot.
Time we take pictures, it's a huge thing.
I didn't come between, Didi.
She wants her to make her look tall. Now if you're not tall, how will we make you look tall? Dance for the vlog. Hannah's so annoying. At another parliament. Stay away from this group, yaar. And my head is paining. They're playing sad Hindi, old sad Hindi songs. And this is our view. Can we have some light, happy songs? As we made it to the brewery, and apparently the bus driver got lost, so we can only spend 45 minutes here. And then look at this dog. I can't show you, but it's very cute. There's so many dogs here, oh my god. Apparently the brewery is scammed.
We've been scammed. They didn't even let us spend time in Luxembourg because it was like brewery. There's this
There was a
white
full
man.
brewery ka drama. Some people didn't want to go to the brewery, but then they were like, no, we have to go as a group, obviously. But now we've come so late and the brewery is shut.
And now, yeah guys, you know there's this white man with us who's trying to help, but he's no help. Have you told the vlog about Chacha?
Driver?
Yeah.
Driver bhaiya, so I told the first racist incident that I experienced with him.
So he's Chacha, okay. So two white men we thought would go well together, but apparently they had a conflict because this white man, who's our tourist guide for today, said that he knows where the brewery is and he'll take us there, but he didn't know the way, and so Chacha got frustrated. And that's why we didn't reach in time, and so we are
I'll
here.
put a screenshot of the group chat messages, Chacha's messages. Chacha was like this on the reel, yeah. He was fully stressed. What happens when you come with your university on a trip? Definitely we'll have
Vloggings going on.
we'll definitely have memories from this trip.
Till then we vibe. It's not about that. There are a bunch of
Scammers.
guys. They've scammed us badly. Now they bring us to this somewhat nice, like rich aunt vibes wala cafe or whatever this is.
Everything is very expensive on the
Yeah,
menu.
it's very expensive. It's literally in German. We don't even understand. And now they're getting us pizza. We don't want pizza. So now they're getting us the most basic as pizza. I don't like this.
This is the worst pizza I've seen in my entire life. Exactly.
This is the see the topping.
Is this veg, non-veg?
Whatever it is, just take. This is not non-veg.
I don't think we're getting non-veg today. I finally got my beer. Taste test. It tastes like any other beer. Guys, I finally got some non-veg. There's pork in this one. I'm gonna do a taste test. The atmosphere. 10 minutes, guys. Then we have to go. Where? In bus. World travel. Just turned into like a party. And when Sheila ki Jawani, we were supposed to. I lost it.
Down and dirty.
That's our amazing Georgie, our driver. Feel the signs from my body, starting to feel this right. Okay, we reached the room. This was the most fun bus ride I've had in my entire life, I think. But they've given us a twin sharing and it's for 3 people by mistake, and we don't want to room with anyone else. Like, we don't want to get separated. None of us want to go and sleep with someone else. So I'll show you the room. It's a little bit nicer, like more posh. And this is the bed and the table and the TV. We just ventured out into the bridge, and we were told that we cannot go out, just 2 of us. So we need groups of 5. So we're going back now. Yeah. Manshika?
What did they say? What did they say?
They told me don't room alone. Room with 5 or 6 people at max. Exactly.